In this video, I'm going to show you the best practices to take before uploading your video. Now, there is something that I'm doing right now that makes YouTube recommends my video. Let me show you what I mean. This is the first video. As you can see here, I'm literally a new YouTuber right now. I'm actually a new YouTuber. I only have 8 videos on my channel. 8 videos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8. But there's something that I'm doing right now that makes YouTube picks my videos and then recommends them to other people. So let me open one by one, as you can see here. Let me start with this one, the first video here, and let's go to analytics. Let's go to analytics. Let me scroll down. As you can see here, my video is recommended by YouTube. As you can see, YouTube recommends videos to viewers on home and alongside the video we are currently watching under up next. Okay, so that is the first video. Then the second video, master your money in 10 steps. This video is also recommended by YouTube. Okay, let's scroll down. As you can see here, still the same video is recommended by YouTube. Now let's go to the third video. Video number 3. This one I'm still working upon it, but I hope so very soon it's going to be recommended by YouTube. It's not yet recommended. Let's check another one. Video number 4 here. Okay, video number 4. Video number 4 is also recommended by YouTube. Okay, video number 4 is recommended by YouTube. Let's go to video number 5. Video number 5. Let's go to analytics. Video number 5 still also recommended. I mean, most of my videos, almost half of my videos are all recommended by YouTube. But what am I doing that is so unique, that is so different from other people? Literally, I only have 8 videos on my channel, but yeah, they are recommended. YouTube picks them and then suggests my videos to other people to watch. Okay, otherwise you could love to also get this concept, get the tips on how you can apply these same tactics. Okay, so let me show you what I do before I post my videos on to go public. Let me choose one video. I think I'll go with this one, how to get Canva Pro for free. I'll work with this one as an example. So now, before posting your video, make sure you indicate your keywords in the title. Guys, the title is really important, because now if you don't play with the title, you are not going to get views. You're not going to be recommended on YouTube. Okay, YouTube is not going to recommend your video. So please make sure you indicate 3 to 4 to 5 keywords in the title. As you can see in my title here, I have how to get Canva Pro for free, Canva Pro free invite link, Canva Pro free, and then lifetime. So I literally have almost 3 to 4 to 5 keywords in my title. So this one gives me a higher percentage of me getting views in future. Okay, I'm seeing some future ahead of me. So what I'm doing right now, maybe after 20 videos, 30 videos, 40 videos, I'll be starting to get more views on my channel. So these are the best practices. So please follow as I explained to you. I said earlier, please make sure you indicate the keywords in the title. The keywords in the title. What you're talking about, what is your niche? Are you talking about football, cooking, politics, anything that you're talking about? Please make sure you indicate everything in the title. Okay. Now, if you don't know how to create a title, you are uninformed about keyword research and stuff like that, it is better for you to install vidIQ. Now, as for me personally, I use vidIQ. Okay, yes, but yeah, I recommend vidIQ because vidIQ give you more options to play with your channel and then get some views. Some views. Now, I'm done with the title. Then number 2, we are going to the description. Now, the description here, I don't write the description myself. I don't do it. What I do most is I go to ChatGPT and I instruct ChatGPT to write for me a full description with relevant keywords for this title. That is what I do. Yes, that is what I do. So let me give you an example. Let's copy this title. Let's copy this title. Let's go to ChatGPT. Okay. Let's instruct ChatGPT to write for us write me a friendly SEO YouTube description, okay, for this title. Literally, this is what I do before I post my videos to go public. I go to ChatGPT, I ask ChatGPT to provide for me a description for my title. So it depends. Any title that I put there, ChatGPT is going to provide all the keywords, and then the keywords are going to be included within the description that is generated by ChatGPT. So write for me a friendly SEO search engine optimization YouTube description for this title. Then I'm gonna paste the title here. Gonna paste the title like that, and yeah, so what ChatGPT does, it's gonna generate for you the description, as you can see there. Okay, it's gonna generate the description as you can see there. So there's no need of scratching your head, getting confused about writing a description when ChatGPT is there. So it is very simple. ChatGPT is going to actually generate this description for you, and then you get your videos to be recommended by YouTube. So there are higher more chances for you to be getting views every single day, every 30, every 60 minutes you're going to get views just by the help of ChatGPT. So again, we are going to go a little bit deeper. Let me copy this. I'm gonna write something like this. Write me a friendly SEO YouTube description, and then I'm going to add something here with relevant keywords, okay, for this title. That is what I normally do when I'm uploading a video on my channel. So ChatGPT provides everything. You know, ChatGPT is just AI. It follows what you type in. I mean, it follows your command. When you say write this, it's going to generate. Now, as you can see, I have here Canva Pro, okay. I have lifetime access. These are keywords. I have Canva Pro for free. Yes, it's a keyword. I have designing, it is a keyword. Content creator, it is a keyword. Canva Pro's premium features, it is a keyword also. Canva Pro free method, it is a keyword. So I'm giving you hints on how to use ChatGPT. Canva Pro free trial, invite link, and then a Canva here again, Canva Pro free invite link. As you can see here, we are also given the hashtags we are going to use in our video. So that is what ChatGPT does. So I'm done with the description. Now, if you need more insight about keywords, again, go back to ChatGPT. Instruct ChatGPT to provide for you 10, 20, 25 keywords for this title. I mean, for this, yes, for your title. And then ChatGPT will go on and generate all those keywords for you. So the same thing here, you're going to ask ChatGPT to provide for you the hashtags that you need for this title. ChatGPT is going to do the same. Okay, ChatGPT is going to do the same because ChatGPT is just an AI. Okay, it's just an AI. So whatever you instruct, it's going to provide. So the next part is we are done with the title. The second step here, we are done with the description. So the next step is the thumbnail. Guys, this is recommendable because it is very powerful. Now listen, before you go on and actually start to record a video, start to do anything, first make a thumbnail, guys. First make a thumbnail for your next project, because me, I am now taking YouTube as a business. So before going into record, to set your cameras, to do everything, make sure you set your thumbnail well. Design your thumbnail before recording anything. It is psychological, guys. It is really psychological. I never thought that I could be speaking about this, but this is really important. You design a thumbnail first. It gives you the background, the idea of what you're going to create. The thumbnail is done. Now the next part is the playlist. Guys, it is really powerful to always create a playlist and then mention that playlist. Whether it is politics, mention it there. Whether it is making money online, mention it there. Whether it's job search, financial freedom, anything, just mention it there, and then start to create content. And then each content that you create there, the videos, please mention them, put them in their categories. Okay, so I hope that it's very simple for you to do. Just create a simple playlist for yourself, and then start categorizing your content. I'm done. Playlist, I'm done. Now the next part here is audience. This video is set not meant for kids. Now if your video is meant for kids, please go on with yes. But if it is not made for kids, please you go with a no, because I mean you will get some restrictions. Okay, you get some restrictions when you use content. Actually, you record something that's meant for kids and then you put no, so you know what it means. You might get banned from YouTube. So the next part is paid promotion. Now if you're promoting something, please, very simple, click here. If you're not, then leave this blank. Then the next part is altered content. Now this one, if you have created, or your video is being generated by AI, if generated by AI, then you have to put yes, click yes. If it is not generated by AI, or if it has nothing to be nothing attached with AI, then you have to put no. I hope I'm clear about that. Okay, now the next part is let's scroll down. The next part is tags. Guys, tags are very, very important. However much some YouTubers say that nowadays tags do not perform well like before, but now I'm telling you, please mention the tags in the tag section. Please provide the tags in the tag section, because they are very, very important. They're going to help you for YouTube to recommend your videos for to other people. So if you don't have any idea about tags, again, go back to ChatGPT and let ChatGPT generate those tags for you. It is very simple. Ask ChatGPT to provide. Now let's do it by ourselves here. Let's do it here. It is very simple. Let me show you. Write me 10 relevant tags for this title. Okay, and then paste your title there, and then let's go. It is very, very simple. That is how ChatGPT makes life easy for us, guys. It is so simple. So ChatGPT has created 10 tags for us, and then it is a matter of copying and then placing them here. Very simple. Very, very simple. Apart from that, nothing else. Just make sure your video language is in English. If you have recorded your video in English, please make sure you put it in English language. And then the last section here always is allow video and audio remixing. Otherwise, everything is set. So that is what I do before I post my videos on YouTube. Before I make them public, I make sure I put everything in check. Okay, before I do anything, before I post any video, I make sure my videos, everything, the description, the title, the tags, the thumbnail, everything is in check, and then I post my video. So thank you so much. God bless you. I wish you a safe journey with YouTube career.